Hi, my name's Madeline, and at this point it is exactly 9:15 and on the 1st of January 2017. In order to set the tone of a Bridget Jones sort of diary. I am 65.9 kilos. I am 19. My birthday is on the 21st of the month we're in right now, and welcome to the first week of 52. There will be, I think, 53 vlogs in all, and to spread them all out, one for each week, and then the last one will be just a highlights reel of everything good that will or won't happen to me at this point in time. So what was my day today? I woke up at 5:18, I think. No, I would have woken up at 5:12 and gone, I need to leave in 18 minutes. So I lay in bed and then woke up again at 5:22 and went, I need to leave in 8 minutes. Then got out of bed, ate an entire punnet of blueberries, got dressed, and got on my bike and rode to work. I was at work from 6 till 1 o'clock, and it was a great day. I had a really, really great day at work today. Then I came home. And worked on my assignment for a few hours before going down to the beach, which, hey, you probably may have seen first, because I did that at 5 o'clock today. That was actually really, really lovely. And then I came home, got some toiletries. At the beginning of every year, I like to do just a big overhaul of all the toiletries, even if I haven't particularly run out, but I know that I'm going to run out soon. Just do a big overhaul for things like sunblock and toothpaste and deodorant if I need to, or whatever. Just do a huge overhaul, and I usually like to get a packet of batteries at the beginning of the year. Even if I have some left over, you can never have too many batteries. It just feels like a great way of starting the year. I've done this 2 years now, and hopefully I'll be doing it every year for the rest of my life. Over the years, I've accumulated so many perfumes. I don't wear perfume. I don't like wearing perfume. It gives me a headache. It's not something I like to do, but I just have hundreds, no, tens, definitely tens of perfumes just sitting around. And I've never used them, and they've been here for over a year, so I just did a huge overhaul and threw them all out, and then replaced them all with the costume makeup I got for Christmas, which is really good. Now I actually have a proper space for costume makeup as opposed to putting them aside for my makeup. I did my nails pink and sparkly with my new gel UV light. So I didn't do this yesterday or the day before. I didn't do it the day before because I was really tired, and I didn't do it yesterday because I sort of just ran out of time. But the day before was Monday. I woke up and went to work, and from work I went straight to the supermarket where I got some stuff because I was so badly craving a sandwich, so I got some stuff for a sandwich. And then went and bought some stuff to make champagne cupcakes, which I saw in an episode of Nerdy Nummies, which was pretty exciting, but actually particularly too good. It was a recipe from Nerdy Nummies, Rosanna Pansino. You probably know her, very, very popular. Anyway, it was one of her recipes, and I'm not too sure. I don't know. A lot of American recipes that I've tried out just haven't been that good. Mum got a new mixer, so she was trying that out. Beyond that, I didn't do too much. I did learn how to make pom-poms though, and that was pretty exciting. Now for Tuesday, yesterday. Well, yesterday I got up early to catch the bus to work. Good morning, it's now 7:06 and I'm leaving at past. Didn't find out, I did get a text when I was on the bus from my bus being like, hey, we don't need you, but I already went to work. So I went in. And got a coffee and then came back home. And it was really good. So I spent a lot of yesterday working on my assignment, and then I did some more pom-pom making. And then I fixed a mug which I got for Christmas, which unfortunately broke. Then we just had dinner. We watched a few Haka compilations on YouTube and just casually hung out. Right, so that's what you missed. Today, tie-dyed a t-shirt which I bought. And yeah, that was pretty much what I've been up to today. I watched some Disney songs. And that's pretty much it.